Decathlons are interesting as a sporting event because they require so many different skills and so many diverse talents. Properly managing a data center transition from physical to virtual servers, server consolidation, and then to private, hybrid, or public clouds are the same way. You have to be able to set and manage service level agreements, SLAs. You have to be able to plan power. You have to understand what your disaster recovery and business continuity plans are all about. And all of this can become easier as you move to the cloud, but getting it right becomes much more important because you are transitioning control of such critical assets out to, for example, a public cloud. So being able to manage, monitor, and enforce those service level agreements, understanding what you're actually putting out there and what you're trying to accomplish are all critical skill sets that you might not have developed well when it was stovepipes in your own data center. Compared to the commercial world, the government has some very specific challenges because so many of the applications that they depend on have been custom developed for them. So it's not like just moving databases into a cloud or moving email into a cloud. It takes a lot more work to understand the assets that they are currently running and what of those make sense to virtualize, what of those can be moved into a cloud, and what has to remain on a physical server or under their own control in their own data centers for security reasons or for privacy policies and these sorts of things. So we spend a lot of time with our customers trying to help them just get a handle on their inventory of applications and figure out what makes sense to move when. In order to achieve the benefits that we promise with data center consolidation and private clouds, you have to have a very efficient infrastructure. If you can't manage it efficiently, if you can't automate a lot of the tasks that it takes to keep it up and running, then you're just going to recreate your current environment and all the problems that go with it in a virtual world. Cisco, Intel, and NetApp specialize in building hardware that is dedicated to virtualized environments. So everything from how Cisco's UCS servers are managed at the fabric layer, so you're not managing every blade chassis, down to things like NetApp's virtual servers that let you slice and dice a storage array into multiple virtual arrays that allow you to compartmentalize information and user sets. We're all built to run that kind of virtual environment. And of course, Intel, with their core technology and what they've built into the chip for virtualization, gives us an end-to-end platform for your data center and for your private cloud.